Welcome to day 16 of our 100 Days Manifestation Challenge. Today we'll focus on attracting multiple streams of income into your life. Find a comfortable place, close your eyes, and let your body relax. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale, releasing any tension. Feel yourself becoming grounded and centered in this moment. Begin by setting a clear intention to welcome diverse income streams into your life. In your mind, repeat, "I am open to receiving money from multiple sources." Feel the energy of this intention spreading through your body. Now let's visualize money flowing into your life from a variety of channels. See yourself receiving money from your career, side businesses, investments, and unexpected opportunities. Imagine each source of income growing, multiplying, and strengthening your financial stability. Feel the security and abundance that come from having multiple streams of income. Let's enhance this visualization by engaging all your senses. How does it feel to have financial freedom? Feel the joy, the relief, and the excitement. What does your life sound like? Hear the sounds of success, laughter, confidence, and ease. What does prosperity look like in your world? Visualize your wealth growing effortlessly. Repeat the following affirmations silently or out loud. I attract multiple sources of income effortlessly. Opportunities for financial growth flow to me continuously. I am a magnet for wealth and abundance from all directions. I am open to unexpected financial blessings in my life. Feel the truth of these words resonate within you. Now, trust that this visualization is aligning you with the energy of financial abundance. Feel the deep sense of security that comes from knowing you're attracting wealth from multiple avenues. Trust the universe to bring these opportunities to you in perfect timing. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Feel your body grounded and secure, knowing that you've set powerful intentions for your financial future. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Have a smile on your face. You are on your way to attracting multiple streams of income with ease and flow. Blessings are on your way. I'll see you tomorrow for day 17 of manifesting your dream life.